What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Isaac Dustin video. Today I'm going to be baking cookies with my little sister.
Hi, I'm Carli.
Isaac Dustin!
The supplies I have is measuring spoons and a bowl.
The supplies I have is a whisk, a bowl, measuring cups, and a tiny bowl for eggs. So I put my eggs in bowls so they don't roll off the counter.
We have to preheat the oven.
First, what we are putting in this
Is
small
flour.
bowl is flour. And so you're going to scoop it.
I know.
And you're going to go like this. And then you're going to go over. You're going to take the non-sharp part. You're going to go over here. Go like this. Swipe it. And put one whole cup in.
My turn.
And also be really careful around knives. So you don't cut yourself. She's going right at it.
This is good.
Okay, get the knife.
Get the knife.
Okay. Next is baking soda.
I have the baking soda.
So Carly is going to do the baking soda and get one of these cups and get the tiny yellow one.
Tiny yellow.
Yeah, so get this one right here and put 2 scoops of baking soda.
Like this.
You're going to put it in there. 1 scoop. Sorry. Okay, there's one. One more. And then I can do 1, 2. And then we go on to salt next. Okay, just pull it up. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let me see. Now, guys, I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna go in there. There's not much left.
Yeah.
One.
And then I think we're gonna mix.
2.
And then.
And that's enough of the.
And now
What's
salt.
it called?
And now salt. And now salt, I think.
I know.
I'll open the salt up. Got the salt. Got the salt, Isaac.
Good. 1 teaspoon. So where's the teaspoon? Carly, since you got 2 last time,
I'll put it.
you're gonna pour it in, and I'm gonna dump it. Oh, that's a little bit too much. Okay, and
That's
there
fine.
we go. We are good with the salt. Got it. There we go. Now we have 2 butters. So now we are adding
Sugar.
sugar.
So that means I get to do 2 of the brown sugar. I think this sugar right here. Isaac, do you want any sugar?
Okay, now we are going to do this, shake it to where it's leveled. And now we are going to dump 1 big scoop of that. And Carly is going to do the brown sugar. 2 big scoops, 1 scoop of this. Okay. Here's your cup. You're getting close to being the baking.
Like this?
Yep. Got a tiny bit more. Oh. I'll hold the bag. Oh, gosh. There you go. Just a little tiny bit more. Oh, there we go. That's nice and leveled. Now, just that.
Can I mix it for
And now
a
what's
second?
next? Eggs. Okay.
Can I do one egg?
You do one egg, I do one egg.
Can I go
So,
first?
okay, I'll show you how to do it.
I know how to do it. Isaac, I know how to do it. My turn.
Now it's time for Carli. Now, Carli, you put your finger, open it. There you go. Good job. Now we are going to go wash our hands. Because we just did egg and we don't want to touch anything else with our
hands. Or it sticks to our hands, right?
There you go. Ah, my finger hurts now.
Your finger is numb.
My safe with the egg
all
out.
clean.
There you go. And now, guys, we are going to slowly
I want to mix it. Okay, can I start mixing it?
Okay, guys, so you are going to smash the butter.
I was going to say that.
You have to smush it, and then you can do it. Put it in the egg. Get some eggy butter.
Eggy butter?
We want to make it until it's just solid.
Let me do it now. I can do the rest.
You're going to do one more? Oh my gosh, I just got one whole entire spoon.
Let me try to get it out.
Okay. How do we get that out?
Fine now.
Okay, now let me stir.
Isaac, I haven't even done. Mash it up.
Okay, my turn. Now we are going to do it until it's just all into one liquid.
Yeah.
And the sugar is all combined with it.
The brown sugar. The brown sugar is all combined in.
Why is this all doing that? Now we are slowly going to put it together.
I think I put it in.
Slow, but now, since I started stirring it first, we are going to let Carli, my assistant cooker, do it.
It's hard.
Oh, it's okay. We had a lot.
Yeah. Why is this all doing it?
Want me to do it? Let me see. Okay. I think it's too hard. Gotta get all the stuff out. Did it. Okay. Now, guys, make sure to stir it slowly and make sure if there's too much stuff. What the heck just happened?
Out of this.
On your feet.
It's just the cups.
The best way to mix is with your hands. Oh, this feels good. We're touching eggies. Nice and doughy. I'm just gonna squish it with one hand.
I'm gonna squish it with 2 hands.
And now we have our dough. Let's taste.
Let's taste it. Oops.
We almost forgot the most important part. Chocolate chippies! Careful measuring, but dump the whole thing in there. And
now,
add some. Oh. Next, Carly can pour this one in. Yeah.
Now we're gonna mix it. This feels so good, right?
It's kind of like a massage.
Yeah.
We're giving a massage to yourself. This is how you make cookies.
And it's like solid but stickier, right?
Yes. See, it's stuck all in my hand.
Yeah, it's stuck all over
Usually
my I'm just gonna take a little nibble.
My bracelet! Next, we have to shape the dough into cookies.
But we need one.
And we need so now we are gonna be putting the cookie dough into the bowl.
Yeah.
Now we are gonna do this. Mine looks like Matterhorn right now. Now we are gonna lay it right.
No, I think you're gonna have to take it off.
And then we're gonna keep getting spoons of the chocolate chips cookie dough. And we are gonna form it into a ball, every single type of spoon. So, this is hard because you have to like stand up.
I think try taking it off and then
next we're putting our. So now, but they have to be spaced apart.
Yes.
Wait, what the? Let's move this one a little bit over here.
That was mine.
And this one here.
Those two are mine. Time to put them in the oven.
Time to put them in the oven.
Now let's wash our hands.
Now let's wash our hands
Again.
Okay, now we are putting it in the oven for 11 minutes. That's hot. I don't think I could do it. Gemma. My eyes burn from that. And now we are closing it.
1 hour later.
It's cookie time.
Okay, guys, these look beautiful.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, gosh, that's hot. Those are all the cookies and they're combined. Now it's time to make some beautiful cookies. So we are going to scoop the cookies and cool them down by putting them on this thingy. So my turn. Okay, guys, so I'm going to scoop up a corner cookie.
That's the one I did.
Okay, put it up. Are the cookies hot?
No.
We're gonna get this big boy.
I'm gonna get a bigger one. I'm gonna get a huge one. Oh.
Right here. As you can see, we are taking turns.
I'm gonna get this this little guy. I got one ready for you, Isaac.
Thank you.
Here.
1 second. Okay, now we have space for 2 more rows. Wait, this one's too big. There we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. And that's how you make some really good cookies.
Yes.
And if you are gonna bake cookies, watch this video. Like and subscribe for more content. That's it for today, guys. Bye.
For more, I hit this video. Bye.
Bye. The best part of
Baking is tasty.
What was this thing on?
But Isaac, wait. I need to go potty.
Oh
Wait,
yeah.
wait, can you hold it and just do it?
I think I gotta turn a bit far. A spatula! It's gonna get all hairy.
It doesn't have hair on it.
I'll wipe it.
That's just gonna get even more hair on it. Oh, can you hear me? It's good.
It's good.
More.